The Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. All the world a stage, and all the world is movement. They players, they have their exits and entrances. And one man, many time plays parts has act with being 7 ages. First the infant, kneeling and poking in the nurse's arms. And then the whining schoolboy, with his satchel and shining morning, face creeping like a snail, unwilling to school. And then the lover, shining like a fornace, with a woeful ballad made to his Mr. Eyebrow. Then a soldier, full of strange in the oaths, and bearded like the bards, jealous reputation, even in the cannon mount. And then the justice in fair, round helly with a good capon, lied with eyes severe and fear, a formal cat, full of wise souls and modern entrances, and his soul replaced his parts. The sixth age shaped into the learned, with shivered pantalon, with spectacles nose, and pouch on side. His young fool rose his side, a safe world too high for his shank, his big, many boys. Turning toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound, last scene of all. The end is strange. Eventually, in history is second Chinese. Year of Leon, sun teeth, sun eyes, sun stains, sense everything.